boo. Tree level, herb level, flesh level. Why meat is not the Jeremiah 29 antidote. Peace, family. This is Augustus. And today I'm teaching the full pattern of tree level, herb level, and flesh level living. And why meat is allowed in the Bible, but is not part of the Jeremiah 29 antidote. This is Genesis 2, Genesis 3:18, Genesis 9, the patriarchs cattle, Jeremiah 29, and Revelation 22 all tied together. The original economy, tree level living, Genesis 2. In Genesis 2, God places Adam and Eve inside a garden that God himself planted. Trees that were pleasant to the sight and good for food grew by divine intention. This is tree level living, abundance, stability, covenant, and long-term provision. No meat, no killing, no bloodshed, no survival mode. Tree level living is God's original economy. The downgrade, herb level living, Genesis 3:18. After the fall, Genesis 3:18 says man will now eat the herb of the field. This is a downgrade. This is survival mode. This is herb level living. Fast growth, fast death, constant replanting. Herb level living is the cursed economy. It is not the original pattern. The second downgrade, flesh level living. Genesis 9, 1 through 4. Then after the flood, God permits meat for the first time. Genesis 9 says, every moving thing that lives shall be food for you, but not with the blood. This is flesh level living, the lowest level. This is survival food, not covenant food. This is concession food, not Eden food. And immediately after Genesis 9, life expectancy collapses. Before the flood, 800 to 900 years. After the flood, 400, 200, 120, 80. Meat enters the story only after the fall, only after the flood, only after the decline. The patriarchs had cattle, but in a fallen world. Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob had exceeding cattle, but this was all after the fall, after the flood, and after life expectancy dropped. Their cattle were wealth, sacrifice, trade, and survival. Not the original Eden diet, not the tree level pattern. Their cattle existed inside a fallen world, not inside Eden. The antidote, tree level restored. Jeremiah 29. Then God gives the antidote in Jeremiah 29. Build houses, plant gardens, eat the fruit, multiply, seek peace. This is tree level living restored in captivity. This is Eden's pattern returning outside Eden. Notice, Jeremiah 29 mentions planting, fruit, increase, and peace. But it never mentions meat. Jeremiah 29 is a return to Genesis 2, not Genesis 9. Jeremiah 29 reverses the herb level curse. Jeremiah 29 bypasses the flesh level survival. Jeremiah 29 restores God's economy. The final restoration, tree of life returns. Revelation 22. And Revelation 22 completes the chain. The tree of life returns. 12 fruits. Healing of the nations. No more curse. Tree level living perfected. Herb level curse removed. Flesh level survival gone. The Bible ends where it began, with tree level living. The full pattern. Tree level, Genesis 2. Herb level, Genesis 3:18. Flesh level, Genesis 9. Patriarch cattle, fallen world economy. Jeremiah 29, tree level restored. Revelation 22, tree level perfected. Meat is permitted, trees are commanded. Trees are protected, trees are restored. This is the Jeremiah 29 antidote. This is real hoodoo. This is God's economy. This is the tree level pattern from Eden to Revelation. Peace and blessings.